Well, we'll introduce our 2000 watt handheld laser welding machine. Well, when you receive the machine, you will have these parts. Well, this one is a interlight weld, and this signal welds. These three welds is for the laser source. If laser source have some problem, you will need these welds for connection. This is cleaning tools, and this one is the curb, protective curb of the laser source. This is protective lens, and this is nozzles. Well, you will see the instruction on this cover. That means if you use this nozzle, you will use 0.8 millimeters, 1.0 millimeters, and 1.2 millimeters well. And you can see there's some difference. For example, like this, and like this. There are two kinds of welding nozzles. This one, I can tell you the difference. Let me show you. Well, for example, when you need to weld the other side angle, well, use this one. It will be more suitable. And this one is for inside angles. You can also use this one, right? Okay. And this is connection tube from the nozzle to the gun, to the laser gun. And this is the structure. You can put the laser gun on it. You can install here and here. You install this structure, then you can put the fiber cable on it and put the gun on this one. Okay, let's introduce the machine. Well, this is a well feeder. After you receive the machine, you need to connect the well feeder with the machine, and you need to install a well on it. Inside it, you need to use the stainless well and aluminum well to weld different materials. And this is laser gun. This is a welding gun. Well, the welding gun, you can see there's a cover here. If you don't use this machine, you need to cover it well, because when the dust get into the laser gun, if the mirror have dust on it, it will burn the mirror. So you need to protect it well. And this is the machine. Well, touch screen, and this is emergency button, system button, laser button. Laser source. This is water inlet. This is the water chiller. Well, at the beginning, you need to add water in the water chiller, and you can see there's a water level. You add water from the red area to the green area, and in the green area, then it's okay. Well, these two wells is connected with the well feeder. This one is the power supply well, and this one is the signal well. And this is a protective device. I will show you later. And you can see the machine, the back of the machine. This one is power supply well. This is gas well. You need to connect the gas with the machine. Then you can use the machine, because the gas can protect the laser gun, and also the gas can make welding very well. For example, if you don't use the gas, the welding area will be very black. But you use it, it will protect the surface. And this is the temperature display interface of the water chiller. Okay. Well, when you install the machine, first you need to connect the power. It connect the 220 voltage. Well, after connect the power, you can connect the nozzle with the laser gun. Firstly, open the cover, rotate the screws, plug the tube, and you can see there's number on this tube. The zero here is okay. This is 0 on this line. Okay, connect the nozzle. Fix it. Well, open the gas. And you can see the pressure. The pressure should be 0.3 to 0.5 megapar. Well, this wheel is for protection. Before weigh the mantle, you need to connect it with the mantle. Now, turn on the emergency button, and turn on the system button, and turn on the laser button. The laser will have power. And this is the laser source. You need to turn on the key switch. And wait. Wait a moment. The laser source is connected with the water. The water will get into the laser source, so you need to wait some time. Then turn on the emergency button. Turn on the start button. Well, as you see, this is the interface of the laser welding machine. Well, scan speed, scan wise, peak power, duty cycle, frequency, laser interval, indication of red light, welding model, secure lock, home, technology setting and monitor. Well, generally, you need to change the scan wise and the peak power. This is monitor. You can see the working status in this interface. This setting. The setting secret is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this interface, you will notice these parameters. So firstly, language. You can see we provide many language here. You can change different language. And this parameter is laser off power. This means when you weigh the mantle, the last time when you close the laser gun, when you turn off the laser gun, tail will have a power. The power in that moment is 80%. Why we need to use a high power? Because we need to use high power to melt the weld. Then it can the high power can cut the weld. Then you can take the laser gun away. And this is the laser center offset. For example, the laser is not on the center of the nozzle, then you will use TIS parameters. I will show you later. And this is the technology. You will always use TIS interface, because in TIS interface you will set the power, scan wise, peak power, duty circle, and frequency. You don't need to use these two parameters generally. You only need to change the scan wise and the peak power. The scan wise means the you can see this is the wise. You can see till a light move from the left to the right in a high speed, and this is a welding wise. So now it's 3 millimeters, and the peak power. The power is high, then it can weigh the high thickness, and it also can use higher speed. This is scan speed. What means is it? It means you can see the laser dot, the red dot move from left to the right. The speed, the movement speed is TIS parameters. Okay, and the TIS is 9 number. For example, first one you set 600 power. Okay, then you import, save. The next time you can use TIS parameter. You can see it's now is 600 watt. So when you found a good parameters, you can save it and use it next time directly after you press the number. Okay. Well, sometimes the focus of the laser gun is not right, so you need to test the laser gun. Well, when we test the laser gun, test the focus distance, we will set 300 watts. We use a small power. Okay, now let's see. You need to connect the protective device with the laser gun, then the tail have laser. For example, I remove it. You press the trigger, but no laser. Now you can see it have laser. We can move the laser from up to down to find a place the laser is strongest. Then we found the focus. Okay. Okay. Now the focus is not right. If the focus is incorrect, you need to change the place of this tube to the right place to make sure the laser point in this place is strongest. Now we found the focus. Okay. Well, now we test the focus. Now this place is not strong. Here's the distance from the nozzle to the mantle, so we need to extend the laser tube. Okay. We extended the laser tube. Generally, 0 is okay. Okay, now it's correct. Okay, now we set 100 on the scan speed. I will show you. Import, save, and return.
又很慢。
Okay, you can see, you wait it. You can see the red light move very slowly. Till Z wheel on this place, right? Because it remove very slow. Now we take 500. Back. 500 here. Okay. Okay, wait. Now you can see, you can't see the Z shape on this welding gap. Okay. Now we change this place to 1. Okay, 1. We'll see the difference. Okay. You can see the welding width is smaller. Okay. Now the welding width is 1 millimeters. You see, this is 3 millimeters. It's smaller. Okay, next one. Now we change the power. We change the power from 6 to 100. Now it's 100 watts. Oh, okay. Import, save, return. Now it's 100 watt. You see it will be weaker. Now we change the power from 600 watt to 1500 watt. Let's show you the difference. The laser will be stronger. See, the laser is very strong. Already penetrated the mantle. It's very strong now. Well, when you use the machine, you need to protect the laser gun. You can see the money collection place in this place. This place have many small gaps. The dust will get into the laser gun from these small gaps. So you need to stick something to protect it with. This is a paper glue.
要不你看看，这是没贴之后。
If the dust get into the laser gun and the tear dust on the mirror, you will see this is a broken mirror. There's a small circle on the mirror. The laser burned the mirror. So this is consumption parts. Well, secondly, you need to notice you can't bend the fiber cable. You can't bend the fiber cable. You can't bend the fiber cable. The diameter of the fiber cable is 30 millimeters, 30 centimeters. This is the maximum diameter, so you can't bend it. And when you weld the mantle, you can't make it vertical to the mantle. The angle, it will be 15 degrees to 60 degrees. Because the laser will be reflect back to the laser gun, it will broken the mirrors and it may broken the laser source. Then it will be a big problem.